Creating your own coconut oil body butter infused with essential oils is easier than you think. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to making a luxurious and soothing body butter. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of solid coconut oil, a half cup of shea butter, a quarter cup of almond oil, and your essential oils: cedarwood, lavender, and chamomile. Start by melting the coconut oil and shea butter together in a double boiler. Stir occasionally until fully melted. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Now it's time to add the essential oils. For a calming and aromatic blend, add 10 drops of cedarwood, 15 drops of lavender, and 10 drops of chamomile essential oils. Stir until fully incorporated. Transfer the mixture to the refrigerator for about an hour, or until it starts to solidify but is still somewhat soft. Now for the fun part, whipping the body butter. Using a hand mixer or stand mixer, whip the mixture on high speed for about 10 minutes, or until it's light and fluffy. Spoon your whipped body butter into a clean, airtight jar. Your homemade coconut oil body butter is now ready to use. Apply it generously to your skin for deep hydration and the soothing benefits of cedarwood, lavender, and chamomile. Experience the joy of creating and using your own natural, luxurious body butter at home.